Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another ultimate comparison by PureCast9. If you haven't joined this family already, it's really simple. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and that's it. You're a part of this family forever. With that said, today I'm going to give you the ultimate comparison of the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 versus the boAt Stone Grenade XL. Now this is going to be really exciting because both the speakers have a lot of similarities and a lot of huge differences as well. So it should be exciting, and ultimately it's the sound mostly and a bit of the features together which will make you decide which one you should get and why. So I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty about the specs. Instead, the chart you're seeing right now, this more or less summarizes the similarities and the differences of the features of both of these devices. So have a good look, jot down points if you have to. Got it? Okay, so with that out of the way, now we're going to go into the sound test. I'm going to play the same tracks from both of these devices. Both will be playing at full volume from the speaker and my phone. And you guys are going to form your judgment. After this is done, I'm going to come back and give you my verdict on how they sounded in person, in which frequency they performed better compared to each other, where they fall short, what are the differences in terms of sound, and ultimately which one you should get and why. So let's get straight into the sound test.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know, now you know it.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
There you have it guys, that was the sound test between the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 and the boAt Stone Grenade XL. Now, I don't know what you guys thought. This was a really tough comparison for me because they're so close with subtle differences, and well, it's going to be a tough one. So let's get straight to it. So we're going to do this the Purecast 9 style. I'm going to give you my verdict based on how these two speakers produced the mids, the highs and the lows. So starting off, before we go into the frequency explanation, let me just tell you that both being 10 watt speakers, the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 is really powerful. It is honestly more powerful than the boAt Stone Grenade XL. Now, the reason I'm telling you this first before I go into the frequencies is because this sheer power played a role for and against the Tagg Sonic Angle 1, and we'll get to that. So starting off with the highs, both produce very high quality, sharp, crisp highs. Now, personally, I prefer the highs of the boAt Stone Grenade XL because while it's sharp and crisp, it's also a very good quality without any crackling or distortion whatsoever. The Tagg Sonic Angle 1, when you first listen to it, the highs are much more powerful because the speaker itself pushes out a lot of power. So apparently the highs sound much more crisp and clear in the Tagg Sonic Angle 1. But the drawback is because it's so powerful, maybe in a few tracks, maybe it could distort a little bit where it's crackling, and that's kind of annoying when you listen to some music. But mind you, this only happens at max volume for the Tagg Sonic Angle 1. If you reduce that, you won't have that problem. But it's still there and something you guys should know about. But in this round, leaving aside that the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 has more powerful highs, I still prefer the quality and the tonal quality of the highs of the boAt Stone Grenade XL. Okay, now let's get into the mids. The mids are where the vocals lie, they make up for the body of the music. Once again, apparently it is the mids of the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 that will come across to you as being really good, really bright, sharp, nice sounding and really clear. But because it is so powerful, and I've mentioned this in previous comparisons with the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 and its review, that it starts to show a bit of muffling and distortion at max volume. And this becomes evident with more in songs where the vocals are accompanied by a lot of bass. So that is something which I have noticed, and that is a drawback. The same cannot be said on the boAt Stone Grenade XL. The mids in the boAt Stone Grenade XL are beautifully rendered. Bright, with a lot of clarity, they are warm, the tonal quality is beautiful, absolutely no distortion even at 100% volume. But once again guys, if the power is what matters to you, then I keep saying the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 will always come across as the speaker which is definitely louder and more prominent with the highs and mids. But quality being a factor, the boAt Stone Grenade XL still holds that. Now we come to the bass. Now here I had a hunch who would win, and I was right. It's the Tagg Sonic Angle 1. The bass radiator they have placed on the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 is tremendously powerful. It goes a step further than that of the boAt Stone Grenade XL. It does not distort at full volume. It's thick, it's punchy, and it's it makes the music and songs you're listening to all the more enjoyable because it adds that really nice low end that we all crave for. The boAt Stone Grenade XL, once again, by no means is it bad. I've mentioned that in my review, the three frequencies produced by the boAt Stone Grenade XL are beautiful, and the bass is also punchy, thick, rich and undistorted. But the quantity of bass, for bass heads out there, it is the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 that will give you more bass. So that was the frequency analysis. Now if you're having trouble deciding, let me just make it easier for you. If sheer quality with robust build and a sleeker form factor is what you're going for with water and dust resistance, go for the boAt Stone Grenade XL. There is no way you will be disappointed. Absolutely. If sheer power, loudness and bass is of utmost importance, that extra bass that I just talked about, And if you like the true wireless stereo function where you can pair the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 with another Tagg Sonic Angle 1, then go for the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 because it's definitely a formidable speaker. But do remember that the mids do have distortion on the Tagg Sonic Angle 1. So that's it guys. Price wise, the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 is a tad cheaper than the boAt Stone Grenade XL, but in the long term, the wear and tear that catches on with most speakers, I think the boAt Stone Grenade XL is going to surpass the Tagg Sonic Angle 1. So personally, I would suggest the boAt Stone Grenade XL, but absolutely it's up to your personal preference. The links to both of these speakers are in the description below. If you do decide to buy either of them, I would request you to use the links that I've given in the description because they would help me run this channel and I can produce more content just for you guys. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, do let me know and subscribe to PRcast 9. Share this comparison with your friends and family if they want to buy either of the speakers. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.